Upgrade your cooking anywhere with smart, efficient heat control and sleek portability. Best Portable Induction Cooktop delivers fast, precise performance with energy-saving technology. Perfect for small kitchens, travel, or backup cooking, it ensures safety, convenience, and consistent results every time you cook. Number 1. Duxtop 200DZ Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop 200DZ Induction Cooktop stands out as a dependable and user-friendly option for anyone seeking a portable cooking solution with consistent performance. Designed to run on a standard 110-120-volt outlet, it fits seamlessly into most households without requiring special installation. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to store or carry, which is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even outdoor cooking setups. With 20 preset power levels ranging from 100 to 1800 watts and an equally versatile temperature range of 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, this cooktop provides excellent flexibility for everything from gentle simmering to rapid boiling. The 83% energy efficiency rating ensures minimal energy waste compared to traditional gas or electric stoves, making it a practical choice for cost-conscious users. The digital LCD sensor touch panel is responsive and intuitive, featuring a child safety lock, fast boil function, keep warm mode, and a timer that extends up to 10 hours. Safety is further enhanced with auto pan detection, which automatically shuts the unit off if incompatible cookware is used. Number 2. Nuwave Double Pro Induction Cooktop. The Nuwave Double Pro Induction Cooktop is engineered for users who require versatility and multitasking capability in the kitchen. Its dual-burner design allows you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously, each with independent controls, making it highly efficient for busy cooking routines. One of its standout features is the dynamic watt technology, which intelligently distributes power between both burners instead of splitting it evenly. This ensures that one side can handle high heat tasks like boiling, while the other maintains a gentle simmer without performance drops. The temperature control is impressively precise, offering both preset options and customization from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in fine 5-degree increments. This level of control is particularly useful for delicate recipes such as sauces or chocolates that demand accuracy. The seamless IMD touch panel adds a modern aesthetic while also improving durability and ease of cleaning, as there are no crevices for debris to accumulate. Additionally, induction cooking keeps the surrounding surface cool, enhancing safety during use. Number 3. Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. The Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop focuses on delivering precise temperature control and ease of use, making it particularly appealing for users who value accuracy in their cooking. Its intuitive digital controls allow for real-time adjustments without interrupting the cooking process, which is especially useful when recipes require quick temperature changes. With 45 pre-programmed temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, users have the flexibility to handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from gently warming sauces to searing meats at high heat. The cooktop's responsiveness ensures that temperature changes take effect almost instantly, giving users greater control compared to traditional stovetops. Another notable feature is its durable, shatter-proof ceramic glass surface, which is designed to withstand high temperatures and heavy use without compromising safety. The build quality feels solid, and the smooth surface makes cleaning quick and straightforward. While it may not offer multiple burners, its single-zone design is optimized for consistent and efficient performance. Number 4. OSTBA 1800-watt Induction Cooktop. The OSTBA 1800-watt Induction Cooktop is built with performance and durability in mind, making it suitable for both home cooks and more demanding kitchen environments. With adjustable power ranging from 200 watts to 1800 watts, it delivers rapid heating and consistent performance for tasks such as boiling, stir-frying, and sautéing. The large 7-inch heating coil enhances energy transfer and ensures even heat distribution across compatible cookware, reducing hot spots and improving cooking results. It supports cookware with a flat magnetic base between 5 to 10 inches, offering good compatibility with most induction-ready pots and pans. The temperature range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit allows for precise control across various cooking styles, from slow simmering to high heat searing. One of its practical features is the built-in timer that supports up to 3 hours of continuous cooking, which is particularly useful for longer recipes like soups or stocks.
Number 5. ChangBERT Portable Induction Cooktop. The ChangBERT Portable Induction Cooktop is designed for users who prioritize high efficiency and stable performance in a compact form. With 9 power levels ranging from 200W to 1800W and 18 temperature settings between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 460 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers sufficient flexibility for a wide variety of cooking tasks. Its direct energy transfer technology heats cookware instead of the surface, achieving up to 83% efficiency and reducing overall heat loss. This not only speeds up cooking, but also helps maintain a cooler kitchen environment. A standout feature is its one-click maximum power button, which allows users to instantly access full 1800W output for rapid heating when needed. The upgraded control board with dual IGBT technology ensures stable, continuous operation even during extended use, making it suitable for demanding cooking conditions. Additionally, the cooktop is engineered for low-noise heat dissipation, enhancing the overall user experience. Its durable construction and consistent high-power output make it a reliable choice for both home and semi-professional use.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.